Welcome to ARMYKIDS.
I'm here with my brother and my dad.
Hey, I'm Caden. And I'm Daniel.
Oh, and we got Sophia! Sophia's here to join us today. Leanna, what are we doing?
We're doing a Yoohoo chugging challenge.
Yoohoo chugging? Alright, the rules are 2 minutes.
Yep, 2 minutes.
Y'all have 3 to get down.
Yes.
If nobody can get down 3, it's whoever chugs the most in 2 minutes.
Yes.
Okay?
So this would be bad.
Alright guys, we have 30 seconds till it starts. Shake up your drinks. Who do you guys think's gonna win?
Me? I don't know. This would be between me or maybe Sophia. I think Sophia's going.
Sophia has got a canister full. Alrighty guys. Sophia, are you ready?
Ready?
Go.
You ready?
Hold on. It's gonna be hard to
Just
Alrighty, go.
I'm laughing.
Who do we got? Who do we got?
Doesn't matter. I can't stop laughing. Stop.
Sophia, drink! 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 We got splatter.
Oh, you spit up your lip. Went to my nose. Good.
There's no retakes, guys. Leanna.
Okay, nope. It's still going.
Leanna is just holding her composure.
In 2 minutes. So much for you two.
Sophia's drinking. She's gonna beat him.
My stomach.
Burp. Clear your throat.
That's what I'm trying to do. I can't get to finish the second one.
Alrighty. Done. Y'all got about an extra 15 seconds just because I saw y'all were struggling. Alright. Everybody who has an empty can, put it in front of you. Everybody slide your cans back. Throw all your empty cans forward. Dad, how many cans did you finish?
1 and like 3 quarts.
Alrighty. Kaden,
1 in like 3/4.
what's this one up here?
This one's empty.
Empty. So 1 and 3. Okay. Leanna, how many is empty?
A 1 and this one I guess is.
That's about like 1/3.
Okay.
And this is.
And Mac, how many is empty? Just 1 and...
1 and then
Ow!
like half.
Y'all, we got a tie.
No? What about Sophia?
Let's see.
Open it up. Let's see.
Mackenzie, open it up. Let's see how much Sophia's got.
She might have won.
She's smiling like it's a picture.
I would have won that. I just couldn't stop laughing.
I know.
Oh my god, she drank a lot.
Sophia's the winner! Yay! Did you win? Yeah?
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, guys. I think second place goes to Dad. I think maybe Caden.
It's a tie.
Third.
It's a tie. A tie.
She just put me
Should we
in fifth.
rematch the
Well, no. I think I won because he spit most. Look at the puddle.
Yeah, he spit more than
Look
all
at
of
the puddle.
us.
There's a
I
puddle.
agree. What do y'all think?
There's a puddle.
Let us
Comment down
Daniel
below.
also spit.
let us know in the comments below if you think Caden is unfairly advantaged from all the
My
excess on the table.
They spit on my side.
They did?
I didn't spit at all. Those were the ones that were spitting. And that one.
All right, guys. Let us know what kind of challenge we can do next time so we can try to keep you guys entertained. And stay tuned. We're going to be doing some Unicorn Frappes next.
Hey guys, welcome to ARMYKIDS.
And today, like we told you guys before, we're going to do the Unicorn Frappes. And that's going to be this frozen bean stuff that we got at Walmart. We're going to taste it and see how it goes. Leanna, what do you think it's going to taste like?
I feel like it's gonna taste like unicorn.
Have you had what a unicorn tastes like before?
No.
Okay, Mackenzie, what do you think it's going to taste like?
For some reason, I think it's gonna taste like cherry.
Cherry. I think it's gonna taste like cotton candy. I'm going safe here. That's what most anything magical.
Basically, I kind of feel like it's gonna taste like cotton candy too.
She's a copycat. Y'all know this. So I'm gonna let Mackenzie go over the ingredients. Tell us what we have.
We have milk, we have ice back here, and we have sprinkles, and then whipped cream.
Whipped cream. And then we are going to let her go over the ingredients as I put them in. I will blend it and we'll see how it tastes. So. Alrighty, Mac, what are we gonna do first?
Pour 5 ounces of milk or water.
Take this, we'll just take the whole lid off. Always, always, always do this with a grown-up because you will get your fingers cut off, so that's the first thing I wanna say. We're choosing to do milk and not water. So, what's after this?
An entire bag of frozen bean mix.
Frozen bean mix. Ooh, what color is that?
Blue.
Blue. All right, and what is going to be next?
The next thing is add 1.5 cup of ice into a blender.
We got our ice. How many pieces of ice do you think are in here? If you comment below, the winner will get a shout out in our next video. All right, what's next?
Next, blend thoroughly until smooth.
All right, guys, so you don't have to listen to this. I'm gonna start the blending and then we'll pause and we'll come right back, okay? So we're gonna turn it on.
Okay guys, now that we blended everything, we are going to pour and taste it.
It's about the color of your fingernails, isn't it? You wanna smell it?
It smells like cotton candy
It smells like cotton. It smells like blue cotton candy.
Alrighty. Alright.
Those look good.
Delicious.
Delicious. The best part.
It's the whipped cream.
You want some more? Sit back down. Who wants some in their mouth? All right. Sprinkle them up. I think we should have had some straws, but I think y'all should just go ahead and taste. Let everybody know. Who's right about what they taste like?
They don't taste like cream.
Just show it back. Leanna's got it. I think you should slide over our secret weapon. Maybe that'll help us. Secret weapon from the Krispy Kreme.
Dip it in. Going in. Going in. Watch this.
This is so good.
I'm gonna try some. I think it tastes like cotton candy. It actually is really, really good. What do you think?
I'm good too.
That's really good. It reminds me of bubble gum.
It tastes, that is exactly what it tastes like. Mackenzie wins because I could not pinpoint the taste, but it is exactly what it tastes like. Bubble gum. Like a bubble gum cotton candy flavor. Lee, what do you think it tastes like? That is really, really good, guys. Like, if you guys have not tried this, I really recommend you guys going to get it. It is amazing. What do you think?
It's actually really good.
Like, I could make those 3 or 4 times a day. I mean, those are amazing. Much better than the Unicorn Frappes we tried last summer. What do you think, Lee? You give it a thumbs up, thumbs down?
I give it a
It's
thumbs
actually
up.
really good.
That actually, when this brand actually does taste like bubblegum.
Bubblegum? Yeah, I think it's amazing.
Those are good.
Amazing.
So, thanks for watching the Yoohoo challenge and us making the Unicorn Frappes. They were actually really good. So, yeah. Leanna, what do we need to do?
We need to do our shout outs.
We need to shout out to one of our subscribers. We're going to try to do that every week. So, of course, this week, our lucky subscriber is Haley and Amelia. They live next door to us. They've been watching from day one. So, thank you for watching. So,
Bye.
All right,
Like and
guys.
subscribe.
Comment below, share the video.
Tell us things you want us to do next. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.